strawberry. And we were sitting out here with Nature Girl Abby. We just caught another little eastern painted turtle. He looks like it's a male because he has the long claws on the front. See the long claws? Yeah. The little male painted turtle.
Male?
Yeah.
A girl?
It's a male boy.
Oh.
Take a look at him there. That's pretty cool. Yeah.
What baby ones?
See how he has a long tail? Lift him up again like that. Yeah, has a long tail on the back.
And that's a big shell.
Yeah.
And his face.
And the long nails in the front. Yeah,
that's a boy.
Yep, that's a boy.
He's feisty.
It's a boy painted turtle. So what's the Nature Girl have to say about turtles? You like turtles?
Yeah.
Say I like turtles.
I like turtles.
How much? What do you think they eat?
Food. Shrimp.
You think they eat shrimp?
Yeah, we feed them shrimp.
How about
worms.
Snails?
Worms.
Worms, snails, fish. Little fish. Watch it, don't bite you in the finger.
I know.
No biting the finger.
See those web paw thingies?
Yeah,
they're
web.
got to swim with.
Yeah, well, like web feet.
They're help them.
Yeah.
They eat like seagulls.
I like how the painted turtles are so bright. They're colorful, aren't they? Yeah, very
and
pretty.
right up there, yellow and have a hard shell.
Your special turtle for Daddy.
And they have hard shell.
Yeah, very hard shell. Yeah, but protects them. It's like having their home on their back, right?
Yeah, like snails.
Yeah, like snails.
And slugs.
I don't think slugs have the shell, do they?
Yeah, they do.
They do? Some of them? Yeah. You look very sweaty.
Daddy, he's yawning. She yawned.
Yeah. Are we gonna let him go?
No.
I don't know. He's pretty big.
Okay.
Let him go. You want me to let him go and take him over there?
I'll listen now.
Yeah. Oop.
I'm okay.
Here, get up here. Yeah. Oop. Just put him down on that rock. There you go. There you go. You want back in there.
Shut the